Okay, part 3. So we've come in to the DC-DC charger, talked about that. We talked about the terminal buses, and we've talked about the fuse box. Now all of this runs on what's called a direct current DC system. Now, a lot of the electricity that I want to use, I have to convert to alternating current, AC. Now, AC is the plug that you have in a household, that's standard plug. In order to do that, I've got this big guy right here. This big guy right here is an inverter. So you can see in the back here, poorly, this big black wire here, and then down below there's a big red wire. This is the big red wire. It's actually 2 wires. And then down here is the big black wire, which is also 2 wires. They double up the wires because you can run a lot of electricity in and out of that inverter. And so more wire means less chance of having an issue. It makes it a lot cleaner. Off of my inverter in the front, you can't really see because of how it's installed. I've got this one that looks like a telephone wire, and then down below you can see a number of wires that come out of it. What I've done is I've used this as an ability to wire up household power all over the van. So as you look around, you'll find outlets just like you would in a home or in an office. They're all wired right back to that inverter. So I don't have any extension cords to plug in. I don't have anything back there. It's all just wired up and invisible for the rest of the install. The little telephone wire comes off of that, goes to this happy little camper right here. I can turn the inverter on, and it boots right up, ready to go. Turn it off for power savings, because just operating the inverter actually does use electricity.